Hi guys, today I want to introduce you to a unique tool that you won't find anywhere else. This interface allows you to export your historical trade in Excel in a totally customizable and dynamic way. First, you need to import the files you find in the comments inside the directory of your platform. I have personally edited these files to give you a better product than what the standard MT4 offers. Once this is done, we can load the interface on the chart. All you have to do is drag the file onto the chart and press OK. There is no need to set any parameters. Let's take a look to the elements in the interface. In the first upper block we find the main data for export. On the left you will find the date picker to enter the date range for export. You can select the date by the drop-down menu or directly by typing the date. Note that the date picker will automatically update with the date you selected. This is possible thanks to the files I modified. Because the MQL4 standard does not allow this. These two checkboxes allow the user to decide whether or not to export the data relating to the pending orders deleted and the transactions made on your trading account. In terms of deposits and withdrawals, here on the right, there are the settings for the export in Excel. The first box allows the user to select the format for the decimal separator, while the second allows you to select the format for the delimiter. You have to try the different combination to find the setting that best suits your Excel parameters. And soon you will see the power of this interface that will allow you to save your settings. Now let's move to the heart of the interface. In the central box the user can select the trade data to export to Excel. You can choose between 17 parameters that you can see here on the left. The order for the parameters is completely customizable by the user. If you don't need all the parameters, just select the ones you are interested in. And insert the empty value option for the remaining positions. Once all the export parameters have been set, just click on the green button and the file will be automatically created. A message box will confirm the successful export. MT4 language is very restrictive on file management. So the only folder where you can save files is inside the dedicated directory that you can find following the pattern below. I left one thing for last that I really should have said at the beginning. The interface has a useful function for managing files. After the user type the name of the file in the dedicated box, on the right side an icon checks if there is already a file with the same name in the directory, and in this case it turns red. Then the user has to decide whether or not to overwrite the file. If you don't want to overwrite the file, just change the name and check that the light turns green. Let's talk now about saving the user's configurations. The user has 3 slots available to save his favorite configurations. All the parameters can be saved. From the settings for the Excel, to the type and order of the trades data, whether or not to export the cancelled pending orders or the transactions on the trading account. Once the configuration is saved, the icon in the upper right part of the interface turns black. This means that the slot is full. This is very useful if you use different PCs with different settings for Excel. To apply one of the saved configurations to the interface, just click on the icon at the top right and automatically all the parameters will be updated. To delete a configuration and free up a space in the slot, simply click on the trash icon and the slot will be free. Now the user can save a new configuration on this slot. To reset all parameters to the basic configuration and delete all slots, simply click on the red button at the top left. Let's move now to the real news of the interface. The automatic export of the trade history. If as me you have a lot of expert advisors on your VPS and you need constant monitoring of your trade history, this tool will be very useful. The interface is scheduled to export the report every Friday, at the time selected by the user. Simply enable the checkbox and the date and time of the next export will appear. Once this is done, all you have to do is wait. And you will automatically find the file in the folder. In addition, the interface allows you to enable alert on chart just clicking on the bell icon, or to enable the push notifications to your MT4 application on your mobile phone. To do this, you must first have set this option on your platform. If you don't know how to do it, write to me and I will gladly help you. Now let's see how to open the exported file in Excel. Once we have generated the report, we enter the directory and locate the file. If you are using a recent version of Excel, simply double-click on the file to open it. As you can see, all parameters are exported in the requested order. In case of problems, another method to open the file in Excel is to use the special tool of Excel. This tool allows you to manually set the delimiter for the imported file, and preview the data. To change the setting for the decimal separator, you need to enter the advanced options of Excel and manually enter the necessary settings. And also another option allowed by the interface is to export the file in .text format, a format that can also be used on other programs as well as Excel. That's all. I hope you liked this product, and if you have any questions, write me in private chats or join the Telegram group where you can text me live and send me screenshots or questions about the product.